Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 178 of our Grave Tour of the Famous series. In this episode, we visited Tandang Sora, Pasong Tamo, and Project 6 in Quezon City in our quest to search for the final resting place of Karate King in Philippine movie, Roberto Gonzalez. Come, join us to remember, celebrate the life, and visit the final resting place of actors that were tagged as Karate King and Judo King that appeared in many action and martial arts films of the 60s and 70s. Shortly after the death of Roberto Gonzalez, his remains were cremated and his urn was inurned on top of his brother's tomb, Rolando Gonzalez, another action star of the 70s, at Manila South Cemetery located in Makati area. Please also see our interview of Roberto Gonzalez's common law wife, Ma'am Rose, and his son, Roberto Jr. or Bobby, at their residence in Pasong Tamo in Quezon City. Located at the eastern side of Manila South Cemetery, we found the final resting place of actor Roberto Gonzalez and his brother, another actor, Rolando Gonzalez. Roberto Gonzalez or Betong was born on 11 October 1942 in Silay City in Negros Occidental. He was a martial artist, film writer, director, and an action star that appeared as lead role in many action films of the 60s and 70s. Betong was a son of Latino Gonzalez, the father of Filipino karate. Like his father, Betong was also a karate master himself who had authored a book about karate and introduced karate self-defense in the local movies. Betong had 116 film credits as actor from 1954 to 1999. He first appeared in 1954 movie Pilya, his introducing role with Lolita Rodriguez, starring Rick Rodrigo and Gloria Romero. His other film appearances include 1966 The Magnificent Brothers with Rolando Gonzalez, 1969 Target Karate King with Liza Lorena and Rolando Gonzalez, 1970 Paglaya Ko Lagot Kayo with Thelma Kennedy, 1971 Boy Poklat with Paquito Diaz, Rolando Gonzalez, and Marisa Delgado. 1972 Maginoong Karatista with Nida Blanca.
Ganyan ka na. Yes, boss. Ngayon din? Okay, boss. Isip mo, baka... Tama! Pwede yung pong kasaysin, oh. Pwede ba yun? I-imagine ko na sa'yo? Yeah, oo!
1979 Scout Ranger with Dante Verona, Philip Gamboa, and Sandro Zamora.
Sir, pinatatawag niyo ako. Anything more, sir? That's all. Yes, sir.
Kung wala ka namang misyon, nakababad ka sa kampo. Gabi ka nang umuwi ng bahay. Yan. Baka mamaya, lumaki silang hindi ka makilala.
Hindi mangyayari yan, sweetheart. Sa pamagitan mo, ang ating mga anak ay magsisilaking may pagmamahal at paghangas ng nagpapa.
Sa iyong misyon, at kung mayroong nangyari sa amin dito,
Everything shall be alright. Just keep on praying and praying.
1979 The Experts with Tony Ferrer, Ray Malonzo, and Ramon Zamora.
Ba't mo hinahawakan yan? Bata ko yan, pare.
Sino may sabing bata mo ko?
Halika na eh!
Hindi naman... Halika na!
Oh, okay ka ba?
Ayos lang.
Babae na naman ang dahilan, ano? Siya pare, bago lang kami. Kaya ngayon mo lang siya nakita.
Bakit hindi mo ko inimbita ikasal ka? O sige. Ha? Pagkakasalan ka? Kailan pa yun? Sayang ka. Matagal ko nang kilala yun eh. Ang daming babaeng pinaluha noon. Pero kung sa akin ka magkakagusto, siguradong pagkakasalan kita.
Nagsasabi mo dito sa sweetheart ko?
Ha, wala. Nagkukwentuhan lang kami.
1980, Magno Barumbado starring Lito Lapid with Sherry Hill.
Pare, pinirma ko itong mga papeles mo at tatransfer ka sa Muntinlupa. Umati sa kapatid mo.
Yun nga rin ang balita ko eh.
Kuya, mauna na ako. Naantok na ako eh.
O sige, magbabasa muna ako.
'99, Wala Ka Ng Lupang Matatapakan starring Roy Vinson and John Regala.
Ilignaw. Dolfo.
Hindi ba, Dolfo?
Eh ano pa nga ba? Nakatakas ka noon, pero ngayon, patay ka na.
Paano ngayon? Ikaw na lang.
His last appearance was in 1999 movie Ako Ang Lalagot Sa Hininga Mo starring Dan Alvaro with Eric Esguerra, Dante Verona, and Rupa May Quinto.
Ilalaban yung anak mo sa anak namin. Tama naman ang sinasabi ni paring mayor eh. Baka balang araw, tatalunin ko rin kayo magkama. Babawi kami. Proposal natin kay mayor. At gaya ng sinabi ko kay Darmo, magbibitiw ako. Tama, Epe. Kailangan gumawa tayo ng paraan para mawala si mayor. At nang makabawi ka naman sa mga nawala sa'yo. At itong bayang itong magiging tubo mo.
Tama, Hepe. Malamang, makakalaban natin dyan si Ronaldo. Mukha yata sumasalungat ka na sa Agos. Hindi porket mayor ka na, masusunod na ang gusto mo.
Betong died on the 5th of February 2009 because of heart attack. He was 66. Betong's urn was placed on top of his brother's tomb, Rolando Gonzalez, who died earlier in April 2003. Rolando Gonzalez was born on the 16th November 1939 in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Like his father and brother, he was a martial artist and a support actor that appeared in many films, mostly with his younger brother Betong and other top-billed actors in the 60s and 70s. Rolando had 43 film credits as actor from 1965 to 1980. He first appeared in 1965 movie Pitong Matahari starring Charlie Davao and Miriam Jurado. His other film appearances include 1966 Hari ng Karate starring Roberto Gonzalez with Josephine Estrada, 1968 Karate Commando starring Roberto Gonzalez with Gina Alonzo, 1972 Ang Kamay na Bakal starring Roberto Gonzalez, 1974 King of the Dragon starring Roberto Gonzalez with Marilu Esteban, 1977 Asawa Ko Silang Lahat sa Puting Tabing starring Ramon Revilla with Boots Ansonroa, Rosana Ortiz, Barbara Luna, and Chanda Romero. His last appearance was in 1980 movie Estibador starring Rudy Fernandez and Dante Varona. Rolando died on 18th April 2003 at the age of 63. Ma'am Rose, Bobby, may message po ba kayo sa mga fans ni Kabetong nung araw?
Una-una, nakatulong sa amin nung mga panahon na si Roberto nagkasakit, si Bong. Una nakatulong sa amin, si Bong Revilla, tsaka si Senador Lito Lapin.
Opo.
Tsaka sa iba pang mga action star. Na nakiramay mga panahon na nawala siya.
Oo. Ikaw, Bobby, total kamukha mo tatay mo. May message ka ba sa mga fans niya nung araw, mga karatista?
Ayun, salamat para dun sa mga hindi nakalimot, sa mga kakilala niya nung una hanggang ngayon.
Ayun.
Hindi siya nakalimutan kahit wala na siya.
Wag nating kalimutan ang kontribusyon ni Mang Beto o Roberto Gonzalez bilang karatista, action star sa pelikula. Kaya salamat po, Ma'am Rose, Bobby.
Okay, salamat din sa pagdating yung pagdahalaw.
Thank you po. In the next episodes, we will post the video of our recent visit of Manila North Cemetery and Libingan ng mga Bayani in Taguig. Later in this channel, we will also post more grave tour videos including Manila Memorial Park and Loyola Memorial Park in Parañaque. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like my channel. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.